YouTube business tools and services to consider. vidIQ. vidIQ is a video marketing tool designed for YouTube businesses and creators that are serious about getting profitable results. It is a certified YouTube platform that will help you analyze your existing content and will provide you with insights that you can use to improve your output. It offers powerful analytics features that monitor keyword scores, views, search term metrics, engagement metrics, and much more. You can also add it as an extension on Chrome for easier access. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an all-in-one productivity tool for your YouTube business. It can help you organize all your YouTube activities under a single dashboard, and it helps you understand your audience, to optimize your content, and to improve your SEO strategy. TubeBuddy offers you features that include advanced keyword research, time-saving templates and publishing tools, search engine optimization resources, built-in promotional tools, as well as analytics and split testing tools. SocialBlade. SocialBlade is a top analytics tool and a favorite among successful YouTubers running their businesses on the platform. It has a powerful monitoring engine that helps you track user statistics and provides a deeper understanding of the user growth and trends that matter most to your YouTube business. SocialBlade is powerful, but not complicated. It provides you with a simplified analytics technology that is easy to understand for any creator. It allows you to see your subscribers, your video views, and your estimated earnings by date. And it makes it easier than ever for you to rank your videos, find influencers, and grow your channels. Woobox. Woobox is an all-in-one online marketing platform that has a dedicated suite for YouTube creators and businesses, which is designed to help you promote your YouTube channel and your content on Facebook the easy way. With Woobox, you'll be able to display your videos on a Facebook page tab with just a few clicks. It is easy. It allows you to feature your best videos. It adds a subscribe button so viewers can subscribe without leaving your YouTube tab, and exposes your YouTube business to the Facebook audience. Pixlr. Pixlr is a next-generation image editing tool that is designed for YouTube businesses and online marketers. Pixlr provides you with next-level intuitive image editing tools that are powered by artificial intelligence. It is easy to use, and it makes editing your YouTube thumbnail seamless, fun, and fast. You can use it to edit stuff carefully on your desktop, or to edit stuff such as special effects and stickers for your videos on the go. Tubular Insights. Tubular Insights is, just as the name implies, a video marketing insights platform that is designed to give YouTube businesses the latest and most popular insights on the video marketing industry. More specifically, it is a network of video marketing experts that monitor, analyze, and collect the latest, most relevant information from every corner of the video marketing industry. With Tubular Insights, you'll get the latest trends, tips, and analysis for your YouTube business strategy from these experts right to your inbox. Camtasia. Camtasia is a video editing and screen recording tool that might just be the perfect solution for your growing YouTube business because it offers you an all-in-one suite for all your screencasting and video editing needs. With Camtasia, you can mark up videos, make edits, add effects, capture and customize the movements of your mouse on the screen, show keystrokes, add notes, annotations, highlights, captions, and much more. Camtasia is perfect for creating tutorials, video lessons, explainers, how-to videos, demos, training videos, and the like. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an awesome social media management tool with great YouTube business features. It offers brands and creators on the platform a simpler way to manage their YouTube business, and it unlocks new ways to save time and grow your video views. Hootsuite will help you to schedule videos on your own terms, to share your YouTube videos across social media, and to automatically search, find, and share videos from your custom search stream when you don't have videos to publish. SEMrush. SEMrush is a social media analytics tool that will help you with your YouTube business SEO, competitive search, and content strategies. You can use SEMrush to do keyword analysis in your niche, to run a channel audit, to track your performance and backlinks, and to get organic traffic insights. Headliner. Headliner is an amazing video creation tool for YouTube businesses and creators. It helps you get your content ideas more easily and faster because it offers you a canvas where you can insert your videos, images, and audio. Then add animations, captions, GIFs, and more until you get the perfect video. Then it makes it easy to export and share your video on YouTube and across all your channels. Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity Mobile is a new type of wireless service plan that is owned and run by Comcast. Objective: the company needed to create product consideration and sales for its new offer. Strategy: the company created a YouTube video campaign where it showed viewers how much money they would save by using the service. Results: the campaign lifted brand consideration by 113% and generated thousands of customers. Hershey's. Hershey's is a famous chocolate brand owned by the Hershey's Company, one of the largest chocolate manufacturers in the world. Objective: the company wanted to create interest for a new line of chocolate that it was about to launch. Strategy: the company partnered with top creators in the company's niche, which included bakers and food artists, in order to align its message with YouTubers that had an established influence. Results: this strategy helped the company generate a 22% lift in purchase intent and drove more than $9 million in retail sales. Abreva. Abreva is a brand of cold medications that sells cold sore treatments, and it is produced by GSK. Objective: the brand wanted to connect with a younger audience so they could be more aware about its products and their benefits. Strategy: the company created and ran 119 different pre-roll ads that lasted 6 seconds each, targeted at different teenager segments. Results: personalizing their YouTube ads helped the brand lift search interest by a whopping 342%. Ukes. Ukes is one of the largest online fashion and luxury retailers. Objective: the retailer's objective was very clear: to drive conversions straight from a video. Strategy: the retailer created a series of interactive video ads featuring different products, and each was targeted at a different segment. Results: the retailer was able to generate a 37% view-through rate, thousands of conversions, and six-figure sales from this campaign. United Airlines. United Airlines is a major American airline and the third largest in the world. Objective: the airline's objective was to convert website visitors that left the site without making a purchase decision. Strategy: the airline created a 15-second YouTube video that showed people on vacation after booking a flight through the airline's website. Results: in just 1 month, the airline generated 52% of their website conversions straight from click-throughs coming from the video. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is an American company that develops and sells pharmaceutical products and consumer goods. Objective: the company wanted to reach more customers for its makeup remover and cleansing brand. Strategy: the company created a series of video ads where they showed the makeup remover, and they swapped elements in the video according to the segment they were targeting. Results: the company saw sales lift by 14% in households that were exposed to the ad. Frito-Lay. Frito-Lay is an American food company that manufactures, markets, and sells snack foods. Objective: the company wanted to promote a new line of Doritos with an innovative campaign model. Strategy: the company created a video sequence campaign where the viewer interacted with a video ad and selected which video ad to watch next. Results: the campaign generated a 19% lift in product favorability and helped the new Doritos line to become a top-selling product for 5 years. Backlinko. Backlinko is an online marketing and SEO business run by Brian Dean. Objective: Brian wanted to increase the number of views that he was getting on his channel so he could send more traffic to his business website. Strategy: Brian did deep keyword research to find high traffic and low competition search terms used by his potential audience. Results: Brian was able to generate more than 295,000 views that led to a lot of click-throughs and sales of his marketing kits. Buffer. Buffer is a popular social media marketing company that sells tools and solutions for online businesses. Objective. The company needed to get their channel off the ground, build their audience, and become successful. Strategy. The company started optimizing their videos and targeted search terms and keywords used by small businesses. Results? Buffer was able to increase watch time by 61%, which meant increased brand consideration and sales. Jeff Bullis. Jeff Bullis is an entrepreneur, business owner, and top online marketing influencer. Objective. Jeff's objective was to create awareness and consideration for a drumming education company that he was starting with a business partner. Strategy. Jeff studied and reverse-engineered content strategies by his top competitors and stuck to a content schedule. Results? Jeff was able to capture 500,000 YouTube views and generated a lot of business. Is YouTube business different from YouTube marketing? YouTube business is a more holistic approach to YouTube than YouTube marketing, because the goal of YouTube business is to build a presence for your business on the platform and to bring business-specific results. That is, to attract customers, make sales, and keep the profits. To that end, a YouTube business has to learn how to do YouTube marketing. This means that YouTube marketing is essentially part of doing YouTube business. And what is the difference between a YouTube business and a YouTube creator? As a YouTube business, your goal is to represent your business on the platform, to attract customers on the platform, and to generate sales. Yet your focus is not on the platform. A YouTube creator is someone or a brand that creates video content specifically to grow as a YouTube content creator and to profit from the platform. Is it necessary to do YouTube business if you are already promoting elsewhere? YouTube is an excellent platform to diversify your content and your reach. It is one thing to favor one social media site over another, because every social media site offers something different and caters to a different type of customer. And you could be missing out if you ignore YouTube simply because you are promoting elsewhere. On YouTube, you can find a very valuable segment of your audience that is not active on other social platforms. Besides, YouTube is one of the top most active websites that exists. Lastly, YouTube is the place to drive real business results. Does your business need more than one channel? It depends on how many different types of products you sell. If you sell vastly different products under the same business, then it is a good idea to create more than one channel. Again, only if it makes sense. You might also want to create more than one channel if you plan to execute more than one type of content strategy. For example, you can create a channel for training and educational content and one for showcasing your offers. Is it a good idea to upload video commercials? Of course, but you have to do it with the intention of advertising them. In fact, creating short commercial videos to advertise your products can be the quickest way to make money on YouTube. Now, be careful about uploading commercials as content for your audience. Instead, focus on quality content that guides them through your funnel until they decide on a purchase. The commercials will help you to convert users that are not your subscribers yet. Can you organize content on your channel like on a website? Organization is crucial when it comes to the image of your business and branding, and that includes the presentation of your YouTube channel. Thankfully, you can create playlists to organize your videos into categories, and you can do it right from your channel dashboard. This will help you to keep your channel nice and tidy. It will make it easier for viewers to browse your content. Is it better to produce your own videos or to outsource them? In general, it is a better idea to outsource your videos to dedicated video creators and, in fact, to automate most of the non-business tasks and to delegate the creative output down the line. Now, it may be that creating your videos is your passion and your business. So as long as you know how to create awesome, quality videos, then you can go this route. Otherwise, it is more productive to dedicate your energy to the business strategies. Do you need a large budget to start a YouTube business? No. In fact, starting a YouTube business offers you a very low entry to making money online, and you can always scale. You are going to need some money though, according to what you can afford to create by yourself, and the things that you'll need to outsource. For example, if you have graphic design skills, you can create your own thumbnails and graphics, which means that you can cut that out from your budget. On the other hand, there are going to be things like ads that will require you to invest some money. But again, it all comes down to scaling. This means you can start investing as low as $5 a day on ads, and to scale once you're able to reinvest your earnings. Are views and subscribers important to a YouTube business? As baffling as this may sound, they're not that important. Thousands of views and subscribers won't tell you the whole picture, and won't tell you anything about the results that you want for your business. The metrics you want to look at are the metrics that signal intent. These include watch times and click-throughs. Is there a way to know whether a YouTube lead is considering your products? One easy way to determine this is to scan intent after the user clicks through from one of your videos to your website. The first thing you have to take note of is what type of video the viewer comes from. A video from the top of the funnel, from the middle, or from the bottom. Next, you are going to analyze their behavior on your website. Things you can learn about a visitor are session times, clicks, pages visited, whether they converted or submitted a form, and abandoned carts. You can check that information on your analytics tool of choice.